So, hello guys! Welcome. Ang ating gagawin ngayon ay sa network troubleshooting tools and techniques. So, exercise number 1, ping, assert, and trace route. For our first task is conducting and reinsert. So, connect to ACI WN11. Then, open natin yung CMD. Then, type natin ping space 8.8.8.8. Enter. Now, sa 8.8.8.8 is the IP address for the Google DNS server. This ping command tests the reachability of a host by sending ICMP echo request packets and waiting for ICMP echo reply packets. It measures the round trip time RTT for packets to travel from the source to the destination and back, providing information about network latency and connectivity. Okay. So, sa ating command prompt, type natin ping space dash n space 1 space 8.8.8.8. Enter. The dash n switch specifies the total number of ICMP echo request packets that should be sent, which in this case is 1. Yep. So, next type natin ping space dash t space 8.8. Ganun ulit. Enter. Now, the dash T switch results in continuous ICMP echo request packets, which do not stop until the ping command is interrupted manually. Now, in the command prompt, Windows, press the Ctrl C to interrupt the ping command. Then, type natin trains, enter. Now, it provides a detailed list of the routers that packets traverse from the source to the destination, along with the round-trip time RTT for each hop. By revealing the network path in this way, potential bottlenecks or routing failures can be discovered. Now, close the command prompt window. Okay, so for the second task, conducting and trace route. Step 1, connect to ICI ALMA. In the activities menu, select terminal. Okay, kaya mo natin yung default password niya. Terminal. Then type natin ping space. Okay. By default, the ping command is continuous until manually interrupted. So, Ctrl C. Now, type natin ping space dash C space 1 8. Enter. The dash switch is used to identify the desired ping count, which in this case is 1. Okay. Next, type natin trace route. Enter. Now, the tracer provides a detailed list of the routers that packets traverse from the source to the destination, along with the round-trip time (RTT) for each hop. Unlike tracer, the Windows equivalent trace route provides a few additional features, such as the ability to specify the source interface, customize packet size, and manipulate the TTL or time to leave field. You can learn more about trace route by typing man trace route in the Linux terminal. Especially the case that trace route was not able to collect data from a specific router hop. Now close the terminal window. Next, exercise 2 NS lookup and dig. First task, achieve an authoritative lookup with NS lookup. So, for our step 1, connect tayo sa ACI WIN11. Then, let's open CMD or command prompt. Then, type natin NS lookup. NS lookup space ACI learning.com. Enter. Now, by default, NS lookup returns an A record indicating that ACI learning .com is associated with the IPv4 address 75.2.60.5. Observe the result also indicates that the record is non-authoritative, meaning that the response was not provided directly from the target domain's DNS servers. Instead, it is a cache response. Now, type natin ns lookup space dash type equals ns space ACI learning.com. ACI learning.com. Enter. Next, type natin ns lookup space dash type equals mx ACI learning.com space 205.251 .192.156. Okay, so let's close the command prompt window. Second, achieve an alternative lookup with TIG. So, connect tayo sa ACI LMA. Now, select the terminal. Ayun, mag-open. Type natin dig space ACI learning. ACI learning.com. Then, in the terminal window, type natin dig space ns space ACI learning.com. Then, while the format is different, the NS record reveals that ns-883.awsdns-46.net is an authoritative name server for the ACI learning.com domain. Now, type natin dig mx ACI learning.com ns-883.aws dash 46.net. Okay. Then close the terminal window. Next. Exercise 3 and work. First, conduct host discovery, scan, default scan, and host enumeration. So, connect to ACI WIN11. Then, open natin yung CMD. Then, type natin nmap space dash sn space 192.168.0.0/24. Enter. Okay. And then, in the command prompt ulit, type natin nmap space 192.168.0.0/24. Okay. Then, sunod, type natin nmap Ooh. A default nmap scan involves sending TCP, SYN packets to range of ports, then to hosts that have been identified as active and network to determine which ports are open, closed, or filtered. This scan provides information about the services running on the target host and is commonly used for basic and vulnerability assessment. Observe that the output indicates port information for each host. Now, type natin nmap space /a space /p dash space 192.168.0.1 slash o capital N space DC01 underscore fingerprinting dot text. Enter. Next, observe the output of this nmap scan is significantly more detailed and identifies very specific fingerprint level data about the target. Okay. Now, in the command prompt window, type the following. Hintayin lang natin siya matapos mag-scan. Still scanning. This scan will take approximately 3 minutes to complete. The -a parameter initiates an aggressive nmap scan which combines various scan types such as port scanning, service version detection, OS detection, and script scanning. The -on parameter allows the user to specify an output file where the results of the scan will be saved. So observe the output of this nmap scan is significantly more detailed and identifies very specific fingerprint level data about the target. Okay, let's just wait. Yun, done. So, sa ating command prompt, type natin notepad. Unti na lang pala, hindi pa pala tapos. Yun. Okay, natapos din. So, sa ating command prompt, type natin notepad space DC01 underscore finger printing text. Enter. Oops. This command opens the save and map output file with Notepad. So close the Notepad window. Close the command prompt window. Next, exercise 4, TCP dump and Wireshark. Use TCP dump to capture packets. So connect to ACI LMA. Login lang tayo. In the activities menu, select terminal. And then type natin ifconfig. Then observe the output indicates that the ETH0 interface is network connected and assigned an IP address of 192.168.0.4. So hanapin natin yan. Ito. Okay. Then sa terminal, type natin sudo space TCP dump space -i space ETH0 space -w space my capture .pcap. Enter. Observe that TCP dump is listening on attention. Okay. Now connect to ACIWIN. Open CMD. Then type natin nmap space -r 192.168.0.4. Enter. Then this command provides packets to ACLMate to be captured by TCP dump. The -r switch removes the randomness from the port scan, making it easier to identify in the packet capture the ports that have been scanned. So close the command prompt window. Then connect to ACILMA. Now, in the terminal window, press the Ctrl C to stop the TCP dump capture. Now, type natin sudo space TCP dump space -r space my capture .pcap. Enter. Note, the -r switch reads the output file with the command line. Okay, so close the terminal window. Now, task number 2, analyze the TCP dump packet capture with Wireshark. So connect to ICLMate pa rin. In the activities menu, select Firefox. Now, in Firefox, sa intranet page, select My Files. Then, select Browse to upload a file. My Files on the intranet page is accessible from all lab machines and will be used to transfer the my capture.pcap file from ACIALMA to ACIWIN11. In the file upload window, select Home. Now, select the my capture.pcap file. click open. Now, observe the my capture that piece has been uploaded to my files. Okay, so close the Firefox. Connect to ACIWIN 11. On the taskbar, select Microsoft Edge. Then sa Microsoft Edge sa intranet page, select My Files. And then double click on my capture.pcap to download the file. Now, in the downloads pop-up window, select open file for the Now, in Wireshark, observe the TCP packet sent by Nmap to ports 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 13, etc. This is indicate of a port scan. Okay. So, close the Wireshark. Close the Microsoft Edge.